Hello everyone. Today I will introduce to you how to install the rollers and shafts. Step 1. We put all shafts and rollers on blanket to prevent any damage. Step 2. There are keyways on the rollers to prevent them from slipping during production. Engineer are now removing burrs from the rollers keywise so the rollers can be installed. Step 3. Install rollers on the shaft according to drawing. Step 4. Install a flat key on the shafts to better secure the rollers. Step 5. Finally, put a stainless steel sleeve on the shaft and nut installed on shaft.